exploring alternative investments, but confused if it is for beginners. To all the new financial explorers, if your answer is yes, you are watching the right video. In today's video, we will dive into the world of alternative investments and help you understand if it is good for beginners. Watch the video till the end and the clouds of your doubt will be cleared. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do it now, as there is a lot more on alternative investments and investing that we will cover in our future videos. How do you decide if something is good for you or not? In life or investing, knowledge is the key. Therefore, before we try to answer whether an alternative investment is good for beginners, we want you to understand this asset class. Alternative investments are investment options that go beyond stocks and bonds. It includes investment avenues like real estate, hedge funds, commodities, private equity, and other similar options. They can offer diversification benefits and potentially higher returns to investors. But there is more to the story. Stay with us to unveil the complete story. Now that you have some understanding on alternative investments, we can look at some of the pros associated with them for beginners. Here are the top 3 reasons why beginners should consider alternative investments. Reason 1. Diversification. The basic rule of investing is that every investor should diversify their portfolio. The alternative investment gives you the option to go beyond stocks and add an additional diversification layer to your portfolio. Alternative investments mostly do not correlate with the stock market movement and therefore they act as a hedge. Reason 2. Potential higher returns. Some alternative investment options are relatively new, so one cannot predict their returns. However, most of them have been around for a while, and historical data suggests that if you stay invested for a long, they have the potential to give you higher returns than traditional investment options. Reason 3. Access to unique opportunity. If you are someone who wants to invest in instruments that are not readily available in the public market, alternative investment is your go-to asset class. Think about investing in startups, hedge funds, NFTs, and so on. Does it excite you? Yes? Go for alternative investments then. Grip has some unique alternative investment opportunities for you. We are done with the first half of the movie, and I am sure you would be excited to conclude that alternative investments are excellent for beginners. However, you must watch the second part too, the cons of alternative investments for beginners. Number 1. Higher risk. Alternative investment options come with a higher risk compared to traditional assets, but you can take a higher risk in your 20s, right? Number 2. Lack of liquidity. Many alternative investments have larger holding period and limited opportunities to sell your investments quickly. If you suddenly need access to your funds, you might find yourself unable to liquidate your alternative investments easily. Number 3. Difficulty in valuation. Determining the value of alternative investments can be challenging. Unlike stocks with real-time prices, valuing real estate, private equity, or collectibles might involve subjective assessments and could lead to discrepancies. Based on whatever we have discussed, if you think the answer for you is yes, here are a few things we would want you to take note of. Education. Alternative investments can involve unfamiliar concepts and technology. You need to embrace the learning curve and commit to expanding your financial knowledge as you explore these options. Educate yourself about all the alternatives you are interested in. It will help you pick the best among all the options. Diversify. When you enter the world of alternative investments, don't put all your eggs in one basket. You need to have multiple investments under alternative investment. Grip is one of the platforms you can explore. It has quite a few alternative options under its umbrella. Still confused? See, every investor is unique. Therefore, there is no universal answer to the question whether an alternative investment is good for beginners or not. You need to find your answer on your own, and we hope the video would help you to find it. If you have liked the video, do give a like and share the content so more new investors get clarity on this. Investments in debt securities are subject to risks. Read all the offer related documents carefully.